very smooth. Yeah. That was very smooth.
All right, so the first drill we're gonna shoot from 7 yards, and it's gonna be pretty simple. It's just gonna be draw, shoot 2, reload. As you reload, take a knee and shoot 2 more. All right? It sounds like a lot, but really just think about the fundamentals. It's literally just shooting 2 shots, 1 reload, 2 more shots, right? It's gonna be pretty simple.
All right, now shooter ready.
Ready. Time?
Wait,
What?
I'm bad.
What was the time?
3.63.
Show him.
I need that shit again, bro.
Show the camera.
I need that shit again, bro.
You'll go again. Good. Much better. 6.14. Stand by. .78. That was better. Good job. All right. Before you pull the trigger, make sure you have a solid grip. Because I noticed you were kind of fumbling around with the grip a little bit right before you shot. So you want to make sure that grip is super solid before you take that shot, okay? What was the time?
Time was 5:0. That was a 6.59.
Okay. Keep rolling. I'll take it from here.
All right.
All right. Did he go twice or once?
We went twice.
Okay.
Twice.
All right. So one thing with these guns, with the SIGs, you do not have to strip the mag. Okay. The mags will fall completely freely. All right. Completely freely. No need to snatch it out. Contact! 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 There you go. There you go. Slow down, slow down. Hit the target. Slow down. Move, move, move! All right.
Load it.
All right, scan, scan, scan. They're down, they're down. Scan. Look around, look around. Check your partner.
You good? Good. Okay.
All right, holster up. Okay, hold, stop, 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 stop. For you, I want you to tuck in. Here, back up, back up. I want you to tuck in a little bit. So you were here. I want you to tuck in just a little bit, okay? All right, utilize this cover. You guys can even take a little step back, just a little bit from the cover. That was pretty good. Just remember, try to use the cover. And you guys go down right here. Go down right here. You might have to be like up on him, right? Up on him like that, so that you guys can be together and so that he knows where you're at. Okay, cool, good job. When you're clearing, you move at the speed that you can process information, all right? So however fast I can see something, acknowledge what it is, and keep moving, that's how fast I want to move. I don't want to move any faster than that, because then I'll be missing things. When you're scanning things, you don't want your gun, you don't want to be in the optic, in the sights, because things are going to be blocked by your hand or by the gun. So what you do is you keep it at the low ready, as you're walking, as you're scanning, okay? If you see a threat, you bring it up. Make sense? Okay, cool. So this is how it's going to go. On you, you're going to move. Bang, bang, keep it moving. Bang, bang. On this guy, you can shoot him more if you want. That's up to you. Like, I mean, you can shoot him with 5 rounds. I don't care. Okay, you understand how to clear it?
So yeah, so I'm low ready the whole time. Until I see a target 2-2.
Snap up.
And then go all the way to the corner, cut that, hit him, clear the rest of the room.
And you might have to collapse when you get in there.
So.
Good man. Shooter ready? Threat. Good. That was good. Good job. Who's next? Good job. Yeah. Cool.